For 1 month, this healthcare worker could not use her kitchen properly. Every time it rained, water backed up into her unit. She delayed repairs because she believed it would require repiping. Most people only see the symptom: a flooded floor, a slow drain, water backing up when it rains. What they don't see is the drainage system underneath. And she finally decided to ask for help. The problem wasn't the pipe. Over time, debris accumulated inside that hidden section of the system. And it wasn't something the homeowner could see. The drainage system was restored.
Makatug na gyud ko og tarong karong gabi una.